In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the play button is not working in League of Legends. So if you're trying to click this button in the top left hand side and nothing's working, then there's basically two methods you can use to fix this. The first method is by heading over to the start menu on your computer and just searching for Task Manager and then clicking on the Task Manager window. Now from the search box at the top, you just need to type in League and you'll see all of the different processes for League of Legends. So we're just going to right click on the first process at the top and select End Task, and that should automatically shut down all of the other processes. Once you've closed down all of these processes, head back over to the search bar and this time type in Riot, and you need to right click on the Riot client and select End Task. Now once you've shut down both League of Legends and the Riot client, you can then head back over to your desktop and we're going to try relaunching the League of Legends app. And you can check now to see if that solved your issue. Now if the play button's still not working, what you can do instead is click on the TFT tab at the top and then you just need to go ahead and select Quick Play. Once you've done that, you can close out of the match and you can then head back over to the play button, and that should now have fixed your issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.